loves, today we are doing our last Valentine's Day video. I'm sorry I'm a bit late with this. I had a little bit of technical difficulties, but it's all good now. We're good to go. And I mean, I guess you could say we're kind of feeling better from last time.
Yeah, we sound better too.
I mean, I think we sound a little better too, but I mean, I can't believe this is the last Valentine's Day video. So we're making mini heart cakes using this red velvet mix, and I cannot wait to try this. And we have the cream cheese frosting, some really pretty sprinkles here, and our eggs and everything, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait.
Me too. I love this cake, and we didn't have it in such a long time.
No, we really didn't, and I'm just excited to dig in after this. I feel like this is gonna make quite a big batch of heart cakes, so I mean, there'll be a lot left after this. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And I'm going to try to do another video with my sister as well. So it'll be a makeup tutorial. I don't know if you guys caught our last video, which was a Bratz inspired Valentine's Day video, but that was pretty fun. That was really exciting.
If you haven't, you should go check it out.
Yeah, it was really fun, and I can't wait. And my other sister, I have other things planned with her, so because she's not really into like the beauty thing, you know what I mean, or the fashion. So like I have something else, but like just stay tuned. I can't say what it is, but I'm so excited.
This almost looks like chocolate cake batter.
It does.
But they always say red velvet cake tastes like chocolate cake if you've never had it.
I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay. That's getting done there. So we have everything poured out already, so that way this video, I mean, hopefully it won't go to like 40 minutes like all of my other cooking videos. I know a lot of you didn't mind anyway, but I mean, I don't want to keep you guys there all day, but sometimes these go a little long and I talk so much, so.
The red. That was so nice.
I feel like the fairies in Sleeping Beauty. Fawn and Merryweather. Oh, did you see how like Valentine's Day we are? We have like the garland and like the balloons in the back. Let's try to be like all those cooking shows. Let's see. If I was getting timed, I would fail, to be honest. I would not make it. Okay. Oh, did you guys see my Gryffindor apron?
Yeah, that's cute.
I like this. I finally get to use it.
I just saw the Valentine's Day. Here, use the whisk.
You know what?
It'll be better.
I didn't need this apron to do the chocolate video because I mean it was just chocolate. But today I'm wearing like my velvet top and I'm doing red velvet. Okay, that was that's really corny, but okay. Ooh, can you see this?
I don't know, but it looks really good.
It's like blood red.
Here, wait, let's move this.
Amortentio. Ooh,
that looks so good. I mean, it's just batter, but still.
Oh my gosh. Obviously, when we're done mixing this, I'm going to put in the oven to bake, and then we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to see you guys when, you know, it's all finished and ready to decorate. I can't wait. I really can't wait to eat this. This smells really good.
Just in case you guys wanted to know where we got these little heart-shaped, I guess you can say cake baking thingies. We got them at Target and 2 come in a pack, so yeah.
Yeah, they were only $3 a piece too. It's funny, when I was shopping for this stuff for like all of my other videos, like the other Valentine's Day videos plus this one, they only had 2 like sets of this one left, and then that chocolate mold that we made the chocolate with, they had 1 left, and then they had this, and it's like they knew what I needed because it was so weird. I was just telling my mom about the video that I wanted to do, and when I got there was like very few left, and I was like, thank God I was early. We didn't even eat breakfast yet, by the way. Like, we woke up really early to do this video, but then I had to get the kitchen all ready and, you know, set up my stuff. And I was like, I'll bake this first and then I'll eat later. So, yeah, that's what we're doing.
But I kind of made a breakfast smoothie, so.
We were also up trying to catch my Stitch Funko Pop, the one with him eating the snow cone. I've been like looking everywhere for that, and you know, the dang resellers, because I was there and it says hurry up, 6 left in stock. They restocked him like 3 times within this morning hour, and every time I went to go hit checkout, he sold out because people keep buying like 5 at a time, like so obnoxious. And I'm like, hello, you know, I actually like genuinely want this Stitch Pop, and my sister keeps trying to help me too, but no luck, and my Hot Topic didn't get it in yet for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna just take this thing.
That's okay. I mean, we're gonna have to spread it out anyway.
Yeah. Oh, this looks so good. It's making me hungry, especially since we didn't eat yet. Okay. Oh, I cannot wait to put cream cheese frosting and sprinkles on it. Oh my god. I feel like I'm too tall for this like angle. Okay.
I'm not.
She's short though, so. I don't know if you guys noticed, she's wearing my Lita Lestrange dress.
Yeah, under this
for this
apron.
you know, video. I'm not though. I feel like I'm dressed like Xenon and Ren Stevens. If you guys get my reference. Oh, the throwbacks. Have you guys been like obsessed with Disney Plus? I have, because like I personally like the old things better than the new things, and the old shows are just so much funnier and genuine and just they didn't really have to try to be funny. They were just really funny, and I really like the old things better, in my opinion. Let me know down below. I mean, Xenon, Quince, Halloween Town, Phantom of the Megaplex, even Stevens. How could you forget that?
Phil the Future.
Axel, Raven, yes, Phil the Future. Now You See It. There's so many things. I can go on and on, but those are my favorite things. Brink. I love that show. That movie. Yeah, what in the world?
Can I grease you a while?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to help scoop them a while, you can do that. What other things do you guys want to see on my channel? Like, obviously as a YouTuber, you kind of gotta like plan ahead. So like spring and summer, stuff like that. So let me know down below. I do have some like ideas jotted down, and like I said, she will be in some other things too. And so will my other sister, but it might be more Insta based for my other sister, just saying. So I can't tell you guys what it is, but it's in the works. That's all I can say. I'm excited though.
Oh, I need to get a
So is she.
scoopy thingy to put these in, like a spoon maybe.
Get something.
Let's see. I'll just use a regular tablespoon.
I think we're good enough. This should make quite a bit of mini cakes.
I think so too.
If you want to scoop it off. Oh, this looks so good. It smells great.
Ah. Okay. Is that good enough? Okay. Get to fill my cakes. Okay. What about it? Ah. It's okay, I got it.
You want me to do the other two?
Yeah, you can. I can do two and you can do two.
I'm gonna use this.
Okay, this is not. Yeah, see, now you have something
Could be my
easier. Now look
barber.
at me. I'm making a mess.
I told you to get this scooper.
See, guys, I told you I don't bake.
I love to
I can, but
bake. It's only Zeke in high school, middle school. I love to bake.
creme brulees. Okay, these aren't creme brulees.
I would love to
really
make
hard
that
to
though. It
make.
looked kind of easy though when we watched Ren's video.
Look at this.
I don't know if you guys ever have ever seen Even Stevens, but Ren Stevens, she has a channel where she does like a throwback, and she always has like an old Disney store with her. It's the best. Like, it really makes me relive my childhood and when the days were amazing and the shows were actually good. I love that.
The whole YouTube
I think,
family can see me struggling to put cake batter into a little
I think
heart.
that's enough before we get like.
See, look at yours. You're filling it so easy. Look at me.
And we're gonna put it in this pan too, so just in case it like overflows, it doesn't in my mom's oven and she doesn't, you know, get us. But oh yes.
Oh yeah, that's true because it's gonna rise, so you kind of have to
I'm Winnie Sanderson.
take that into consideration. Oh, please don't fall in.
Oh yeah.
It says do not eat raw cake batter, but
Oh, this smells so good. Oh,
batter tastes yummy. Kind of weird, but
yes.
see, look
This
how
is so
easy you're
satisfying.
doing it.
Is the lighting okay? I thought the lighting's like being weird because like, you know, the sun keeps going up and down, and I think that happened in my last video, so the lighting was off. But I mean, I can't really help that. What was that?
The thing settling.
Oh. Okie dokie.
10 hours later, and I'm still here filling this. Okay, I think that's good enough. Look at me, I'm making an entire mess. You
That's
can
fine.
steal that from me.
Okie
and I can
dokie.
wash my hands.
Okay, my loves. So we have 4 made so far, but this batter, I feel like it's gonna make quite a bit. So we're gonna put this in the oven right now, and then we're gonna let it bake and cool, and we will see you guys when we are ready to decorate and taste test this yummy, delightful treat. Alright, my loves, so the cakes are out, and look how delicious they look. Oh my gosh, I almost feel. Oh my god, they smell so good. So now we are going to decorate them with cream cheese frosting and some really, really pretty sprinkles. I'm not sure.
I want
You guys can see them. They were only $1 in the dollar section at Target, so that's not bad. And then we are going to try the cake on camera, of course, and I'm so excited. So she's going to decorate too, and I'm going to decorate too. I cannot wait. These things are so easy to open, and I feel like when I'm on camera, it like gives you the world of trouble, and it's like, no. Okay, sis, let's go.
Okay, you can go first.
You sure? Okay. Ooh. Oh, this looks so good. Oh man. They came out really good from the like silicone cup that they were in, but you had to grease them, of course. But like it kind of stuck a little bit, but it did come out smoothly. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna break, but it came out really good. Oh, this looks so good.
I wish we could have piped some of these, but like to put in the piping bag would be too much trouble.
I don't even know where our piping bag went from the last video. I lost it. I think it's in the fridge.
Because that would look cute, like if you pipe like swirls.
I know. It would. I have some more baking because the batch makes a lot, like I said, so we have like 4 more baking. And I think the rest of the batch, like we put it over there. But I think how many do you think is gonna make? Like 4 more again, and then I think that's it.
I think it's only maybe 2 more because there's only a small one.
That's true. Well, the more heart cakes the better. Oh, this looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. Are we gonna eat that one?
Sure, yeah,
Okay.
because this one's on my plate.
Okay. I like that
I'm
everyone
just
is eating
swallowing.
this. This looks so good.
This is so cute. I feel like this one's fun.
So like we were saying before, if you guys like the double makeup tutorials, let us know. Because I thought that it would be fun to do like a day and night look for Valentine's Day. Even if you're not doing something, well anything, or like if you're just hanging out with friends or family or whatever, it doesn't matter. You can do it however you like. So she did the night look and I did the daytime look. But we do have other looks coming that we want to kind of team up on. So let us know what kind of looks you guys want to see down below. Obviously everybody does makeup differently, so it's interesting. You guys could always see the way you know, like the way we do it, and then you could just do it on your own and to your preference, because I know a lot of people don't like a lot of makeup and that's okay. But do it however you like. I always say you don't have to like follow tutorials like step by step because everybody has their own preference. But we do have some more collabs coming up, so I'm excited about that. Okay, I think that's good enough.
Or you can comment down below what other videos you want to see us do, like sister videos.
That'll be fun. We did that one where she was like me for a day and I was like her. So I had to get what she would eat and then her drink at Starbucks. And then she had to dress like me, and at the time my hair was blue at the end. So she like got spray. Why do I keep saying spray paint?
It was like
the color spray,
yeah.
whatever it's called, I don't know. And then she like put her hair and like she sprayed it blue. Oh, that was interesting.
Yeah, if you haven't seen that video,
was really funny.
go watch it.
It was interesting. Cause she gets like the tall, and I like my ventis, so I had to get that. And yes, I actually did drink that for the day. So.
And my sandwich, my picky order at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A too. Oh my gosh.
I feel like these both look nice, but
We should do another switching video, but I don't know what we would do though.
have scissors, please. Anyway, maybe
The
there's a
scissors?
little thingy here.
That's what I was telling you before. We gotta
Or
ice.
maybe not. Yeah, no, it's not.
Pretty.
And I don't think these go everywhere.
That's fine. Here.
Yeah, I like these sprinkles. These ones are pretty.
Okay.
Never mind that.
So we can put this aside.
You know what this looks like? These look like those decorated donuts
Ooh.
from Dunkin' Donuts.
Give me the scissors, please.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the fun part.
This is so
Is the lighting going like weird again? Yes, it is. Because the sun keeps like going in and out. Okay, let's see here. Sprinkles.
If you want these, you can.
Yeah, we'll switch just now. I'm probably gonna do like one of each, like some with the
Yeah.
crystals and.
Ooh, those are nice.
Ooh.
Mix it up.
This looks like fake glass. Like it looks like glass.
And everything
so
we're
cool.
using, we got it at Target, so.
And this is not sponsored.
Yeah,
But,
like this cake tier
Yeah,
thingy.
the cake mix. Everything's from Target. But it's not sponsored, I promise.
That's such a you cake with all
This
the pink
is.
sprinkles.
It's me and the cake. Oh. Okay.
Switch.
I cheated.
Yeah, you did. Well, you just licked the frosting. I licked the cake batter, so.
Okay.
But we didn't eat the thing together. Ooh, maybe I should put some here. This is such a pretty. I don't want to eat this now because it looks that good.
I'm pretty darn cool in my Gryffindor apron. I like this.
Look at that! That looks so good.
Well, you mixed it?
Yeah.
Okay. And now,
Okay, take this.
for the moment of truth. Oopsies.
Taste testing time.
Alright. The sprinkles is stuck and it turned my hand pink. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Oh my god.
Can they see? I don't know. Well, here we go. You want to show them your cake first?
Yeah, I'm gonna show it to them. Like, how am I
I'll
gonna...
probably have to like zoom up on this
Look at
before they
my
fall.
cake! This looks so pretty.
I'll like have to do like a
Yeah. I
hand
wish you
view
could
of
see
this
it
so
like
they could
really
see
well.
it closer. And we just made a mess. That's fine.
Yeah, we did.
Well, we're gonna eat the cake now.
Wait, don't eat it until I do because I need to get it out. I got no sprinkles. How is that? Ready? Mmm. It's so good.
Oh my god. Well, that's a good cake.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat this again.
I hope we don't eat this whole thing.
Hey, it's yummy.
We're just gonna eat for the rest of the video. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
Yeah.
that was it for today's video, my loves. If you guys do want to see more of these, please let me know down below. A lot of you were messaging me on my social media asking if we could make like actual food. So, like, you guys want to see like dishes and stuff. So, she likes to do those kinds of things. And if you guys want to see that, we will be happy to do that if you want to see anything else like this. And any other like suggestions you guys have, like spring, summer's coming up, any sister videos. I have my other sister too, so if you guys want to see anything with her. I was supposed to do some videos with my brother, but he never has the time, so I'm gonna try to be like doing things like that as well. I should do something with all my siblings. That should be a really interesting video. Let me know down below what you guys want to see, and until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notifications bell, that way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. Leave some comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I can feel your energy.